welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to get a preppy face on Zepeto. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, for the skin tone, you can choose whatever you want. Okay, so I want this color, or this skin tone. Okay, so now let's go to hair. So for the hair, I want to use this here. Okay, so let me just go ahead and find it. So sometimes I love using the hair with a cap on, like this one. Okay, so now let's go to the hair color. So let me just go ahead and change it right here. So for the hair color, you can use or you can choose whatever you want. Okay, so now for the face right here, let's go with freckles. So this one. Okay. Now for the wrinkles, I don't want to add any wrinkles. So I want to add a spot just right here. Okay, so now let's go with brows. So I love do using this one, but as you can see, because of my hair, it doesn't depend. It doesn't change anything what I use for the brows. Then now for the eyes, I want to use this one because I like this eye shape. So for the nose, we can use this one. No? So sometimes it really depends on the face shape that I want. Okay. So I love this one or this one. Okay, I like to use this one. So it's a very long nose, but that's fine with me. Now for the mouth, let's go with a bigger lips. No, not like that. Like this one. Okay, for the body type, that's so big for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go with default. Okay, so, but I love this body type. So now let's go with the dress one. So for the dress, this is where we need to choose the right dress for the preppy look. Okay, so here what we can do is to find the proper dress. So this can work, but I just go ahead and scroll down for more options. I like the simple one. Okay, so let's just go ahead and go with the top. I like a simple one, but this elegant. Okay, so just like this. So for the pants, let's find any pants that we can use. Let me just go ahead and change the body type so that we can view it properly. So I want a white pants. So let's just go with that one. Okay, or this one. So that there's a design. Okay, so I am happy with this one. So now for the footwear. let's add more this design or character. Okay, so like a pop of color, just like that. Oh, I like this one. Okay, so now that is all that I want to do for the preppy look or face on Zepeto. Okay, so you can add more if you want to, but this is what I want. Okay, so now that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.